Several villages in Region 7, Kiyuni, Mazaruni are experiencing some relief since floodwaters have begun to recede after weeks of flooding. Regional Chairman Kenneth Williams provided an update to the newsroom via telephone on Monday.
The waters receded a little bit in the Mazaruni area and a lot in the upper Mazaruni area. It has receded in the middle Maz in like 6 inches. I think that's about the last thing I got from the police in the area. What we were getting was consistent rain. Now we're getting in between days of sunshine.
The Civil Defense Commission has also been providing aid for affected residents.
OCDC has done some work in the upper Maz area. I think they've done their assessment and distribution has started. Some sort of distribution. I'm not 100% sure because I'm not close to the areas. So you have to take a big boat and get to the areas.
Mr. Williams told the newsroom that he is in constant contact with the Tushals in the villages. Residents countrywide are urged to take precautions where necessary and to report any flooding to local authorities or the National Emergency Monitoring System on 600-7500 or 226-1114 at any time. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Isanella Patwo.